with another unboxing. This is my Frogwarts Year 7 box, and it's big, bigger than normal. So I have undone the tape. Okay, so what's inside the box? You know what this is. My favorite thing. One of my favorite things. Yes. So now I have all the years. So, yes. I love these cups. Now I've got all 7 years. Yay! Okay. So, that box can go right there. Here is the folder card. Oh, wow. Oh, I see why it was so big. Okay. Let's do the floss. So, oh, those are pretty colors. So we have baked bean, eye of newt, sugared violets, candied floss, and green apple. All these are by Color and Cotton. Beautiful colors, which, yes, I will be using. Okay, next thing. Oh, I'll definitely use this. It's a bookmark. It's made out of that imitation leather, but it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Yes. Okay, next thing. The bag. So, let me open it. Beetle of the Bark tells the tales of Beetle in the Bark. And inside, it's just a green. I always enjoy getting their bags. Okay, what's this? Dobie has no master. Dobie is a free elf. Is this the iron-on? I think it's an iron-on. I'll have to look at the spoiler card. Oh, love it. It is so cute. Okay, next thing is the fabric. Let's get it out. It is by Barbalicious, 16 count Ada. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. I think it has more of a blue color than what it's showing. Okay, next thing. So these, you just snap. Oh, come on. Come on, there. Snap the edges. And it makes a little ball. I use these a lot, which I needed one for my desk. So, perfect. Oh, I see why it's so big. Okay, I can't show that yet. We'll go with, okay, we've got some owl scissors. I need some new ones. We can always use scissors. Okay, so this black bag. Let's see. Oh, it's that light thing that Ron got. That clicks on the light. Come on. There. So, need that one. Come on. And this is the magnet because everything's sticking to it. Oh, I was working on this on the pattern today. I got with the dragon. Oh, I love that. Okay, so that leaves pattern, which I'm disappointed in this. Yeah, they had a misprint, and instead of making it correct, they just let it go. So they sent a picture of the back, what it was supposed to be like, but I would rather this be correct. But the pattern is gorgeous. Now, this is why it is so big. It's so we can hang them down. Yes, except for I might stain this. I don't know if I can or not. It's wood. I wonder if I could stain it or paint it. That would be so cool if I could paint it and put varnish on it. But that's why the box is so big. And that kind of, because I was tight about mine, if I wanted to put something down the side or on the bottom. And I think if I put them on the sides, it might be too wide for this. But if I put it on the bottom, I can go that route. I like the idea of painting this. Yeah. But that is it. Year 7 box. Let's see, what's my favorite? The cup. I love the cup and the pattern. I like the bell pull. Okay, let's see. So the floss is by Color and Cotton. The scissors, Kim Scott Designs. Okay, where are you? White. Okay. The project bag, Kilo Illustrator. Deliminator Thread Jury by the Black Needle Society. The Three Brother There's Bookmark. It's by Karen Lebetade. It's hard to see. Dobie's Last Stand, Iron On Transfer. So it is Iron On by Karen Leopold. Escape from Grown-Ups Needle Minder, Kaya illustrator. Always Cross Stitch Fabric by Fiberlicious Yummy Fibers. Oh, the accessory tray is by Embergrow Gaming. Hunt for the Horcus mug. The mug is by the Black Needle Society. Hogwarts Bell Pull by the Black Needle Society. And then Year 7 banner by the Black Needle Society. So, that is it. It starts on the 8th and goes until Sunday the 12th. And I'm stitching away. I hit 25% today on mine. So I'm excited. I am very excited. But that is it. I hope everyone has a blessed day. And hit like and subscribe and join me next time.